Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to cook some pork chops and gravy in my Foodi extra large grill. And I already washed my chops, towel dried them, so I'm going to show y'all how I season them and what else I do. Okay, I'm going to re-angle this camera. Okay, I'm going to plug in my Foodi extra large grill. And I put a foil pan in here. So I don't want to wash this other pan. This has to stay in here at all times. So I don't want to wash that. So I put a foil pan in here. So I'm going to let this preheat. Then I'll put the pan in there. I'm going to turn it on. Put it on. I don't know if I should put it on air crisp, bake. I'm going to put it on air crisp, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 minutes, and start. So right now it's preheating. So this is what I'm going to use. Pork chops. Like I said, I already washed and towel dried. I think there's about 6 in there. I'm going to season it. Y'all know how I season. Black pepper, garlic, onion powder, and this here, what I love. Of course, I'm putting my mustard on the chops. And this is what's going to make the gravy. The cream of chicken soup. I got 2 cans. So, I'm ready to season my food. Starting with the, I see a gnat flying in here. Starting with the mustard, 1 good swig. Regular yellow mustard. Garlic and the onion powder. There's no salt in the garlic and the onion powder or the pepper. There is salt in this. And there's salt in the soup. So I'm going to smush all this stuff together. That's how it looks. Might need more mustard. And my chops will not taste like mustard. Oh, thing is saying add food. So I'll add it in a minute. Okay, let's go over here. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. Do some big chops. But they all gonna fit up in here, y'all. Uh-oh. Maybe they ain't. Okay. Okay, that's okay. That's all we need. Is 2 each. Okay, I still got 2 chops left. I'm gonna put this soup on here now. Yep. Get through with it. This is gonna make the gravy. I may or may not turn the chops over. I don't know yet. Okay. Some pepper on top of this soup. Okay. So it's gonna cook. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. These chops been cooking for 20 minutes. I did flip them. Ooh, look at that. Okay. This is cooked in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill for 20 minutes. Flip once. Okay, I'm gonna fix my plate and I'll be back. I'm gonna get this chop here. Oh, that's the center cut. I want to like that the best. Let me see. I can eat it all. Let me see. Okay, I'll get this one. This gravy made out of soup. Put some of my mashed potatoes. Turn it off. It's done. Unplug it. I always unplug my stuff. That's my dinner. Okay, see it good. Pork chops, gravy, mashed potatoes, sweet corn, and salad. Let me take a thumbnail of my dinner. Then I'll taste it. That's my dinner, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste test for y'all. I got a croissant over there, but I think that's enough food. Okay, I'm gonna taste the chop. Just cut a little piece. I'm shaking my head no, because this is good. Mashed potatoes. Corn. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is a good dinner. And Walter loves his pork chops. He gonna love these chops. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.